Welcome to One Beer Meal, where size matters. The beer size. In today's episode, we will make a smash burger in one beer. Let the challenge begin. Right, so here I got all the ingredients needed, and we don't need to go too much in detail at this stage, but we will make a classic smash burger, maybe slightly inspired by In-N-Out double animal style burger, because we make pretty similar spread as the double is using. Then we have two 4-ounce 120 gram ground beef balls, 80-20, very important, 80% lean, 20% fat. We still have plenty of time, but as the clock is ticking, we will need to start with the most time consuming part, the caramelized onion. Oh yeah. So we start by peeling the onion, and as you know, when you caramelize onion, you want to take the outer layer of the onion out entirely, and that's because the inner layer of this onion has much more of those natural sugars than the outer part, so you will get much better results. So let's finish the peeling first. And on top of that, if you got any dry bits here, for example the core, or some of the green bits, just get rid of them, for example here, because they won't caramelize so well and you can end up with bitter caramelized onion. Then we just slice up the onion. Alright, there we go, and you end up with these beautiful onion slices, paper thin. Those will caramelize really well. Alright, then we need some heat on. Pan on medium heat. You don't want your onions burned, there will be the bitter taste. Some butter in, and you see my pan is really hot now, so we lower the temperature, let the butter do its job, and then we can smash the onions in. And now this will take about 30 to 35 minutes maybe. You just leave it as is, stir occasionally, and make sure that your onions won't burn. And control the temperature. It's really important. Okay, let's take a look at the timer. Looking good. Yeah, we still got plenty of time, and now we can prepare our spread. Now the spread we are going to use today, it's not exactly how In-N-Out is doing their spread. And I have a double In-N-Out smash burger copycat. I will put the link down below. But anyway, you will need some mayonnaise, and I'm using Kewpie mayo. Then here I have some pickles, which I will just chop up. I believe they use sweet pickle relish on the In-N-Out spread, but these pickles are actually pretty sweet, so I believe we can get away with these. Then here I have ketchup, just a little bit of that. We need some acid, so I'm using lime juice. Let's take a look that everything is okay here, looking good. And as you can see from the color, it's still very pale white, yellowish, and this is exactly how it's supposed to look at this point. And then in my version of spread I will use jalapeno as well. It gives this nice kick to it. There we go. Then we mix. So this is how it looks. Pretty amazing, right? Look at this, juicy. Let's see the taste. Oh yeah, it has got this OG hamburger dressing taste to it. Very nice. Good salt level, nice acidic, sweet touch. And you can feel the little heat coming at you. You start craving more beer. Oh boy, cooking is fun. Okay, that's done. And now I will do some cleanup and watch my onions getting ready, and then we will start making burgers. Alright. As you can see, maybe 20 minutes has passed, and this is how our onions are looking like now. Getting those dark spots all around, looking good, and we still have some time left. Right, then tomato. Let's talk about tomato. I will use 2 slices, so quite thin. Just like that, beautiful slices. Every time you use fresh tomato, please use a little bit of salt. It definitely enhances the flavor. Okay, looks like we are running out of gas. Great. Then some iceberg lettuce. You just take the core out, take few of the outer leaves out. They may be dirty. This you can use for something else later. Then we wash these leaves. Beautiful. And this is my bun today, some pre-made brioche. Now we take another grill, full whack, cast iron pan. In the meantime we can check out our onions again. We are getting there. Here's my cheese, pepper jack and cheddar style. This is getting real hot. And you see all the smoke coming out, that's a sign that we are hot. One at a time. And then just smash. There we go. And now we need some salt, some black pepper. Here everything is going well. Oh yeah. Look at the color. It's getting darker. Very good. Just 30 seconds and flip. And look at that. Look at the color. Cheese on top. Okay, I forgot to season the other side. Just 30 seconds and out on top of the onions. Then the next patty goes in. Same story. Smash. And as you can see, the heat is outrageous. That's how it's supposed to be. Season. Black pepper. Now give it a flip. Oh yeah. Salt, pepper, cheese on top. Things are getting really hot here. Take off the patty on top of the other patty. Oh shit, look at that. Heat off, this is done. Oh sorry, it's not done yet. Scrape off the bottom. You can take off the heat from the onions as well. Now have a sip of beer because you're gonna be thirsty. Oh god. Now take your buns. Just a little mayo on the bun. You will get the nice color on the buns. There we go. Nice color on the buns. And now we are ready to build our burger. Woo! It's really hot and smoky inside. But it doesn't matter, it's all worth it. Now take your bun, spread on the bottom. Take your lettuce, few slices of pickles, then your tomato. And now you just take your patties with the onions. You can add a little bit of onion on top. More spread. And crown the king. And look at this. And here we are, about one beer later. And I think this was a job well done. Pretty amazing looking burger. Okay, it is on the heavier side. I think McDonald's Big Arch would lose this challenge. I have never tasted Big Arch, so I don't know. But look at that. How juicy. Very good looking. There is some veggies as well. Let's go, I'm going in. Oh my god, no. I'm speechless. The symphony of flavors and the flavors working together. The spread, the tomato, the lettuce, a little kick from the jalapeno. Extremely juicy, 20% beef patty. The sweetness of the caramelized onions. Welcome to the flavor town. One beer meal style. This was amazing. This was really good hamburger. You should totally try it at home. I will put the recipe down in the description. Thank you so much for watching and nice to meet you all. Please let me know in the comment section where you're from. Catch you up on the flip side. Mm.